My name is Molly Petty and I work with Pro Services. We are a mechanical contractor located in Portage, Michigan, and we offer industrial skilled trades like pipe fitters, millwrights, iron workers, sheet metal, HVAC, commercial and residential service, and then we also have production maintenance technicians. This is our third year attending the RPM Symposium. We love partnering with HECO and coming to this event every year. It really helps us get our name out there. And we also like meeting new customers that come to this and seeing what solutions we can provide to them. We love coming to this event at the Air Zoo in Kalamazoo because it's such a unique spot to have an event like this. I mean, how many times can you sit at your booth at a trade show and be able to look at all these airplanes and different things and have it in a museum? It's really cool. In 2018, when guests attend the RPM Symposium, they can expect different presentations by different customers that attend. For example, our presentation this year was called The War on Talent, and it's about the struggle that everyone in this industry is facing to find good talent and good employees. But there's also customers that talk about technology, advancing things in their industry like that. So there's a lot of different topics that you can learn about. And of course, having it at the Air Zoo, you get to walk around, experience the museum, and learn about a lot of different things.